Good evening, guys. Felix are here with a new pre-analysis for tomorrow. Okay, it's gonna be very simple. In general, we have multiple um direction that the price is showing. Okay, first of all, the price in the higher time frame is mitigating this range right here. Okay, so what I always look for: range, initiation, mitigation, continuation. That pattern right there is possible that the price wants to create it, or maybe the price wants to keep going down to mitigate another range to maybe, you know, show the continuation from down there, or at the end it's gonna follow a full bearish direction. Okay, but right now I wanted to show you guys that 4 hour because I wanted to mention once again that the price is, downtrending right now. Okay, the price is downtrending. Okay, and also the price for the last few days, it has been ranging right here. Okay, so we have a clear 4 hour range. Okay, so let me go to the lower time for now. Okay, once again we have a clear range here. Okay, we had a clear range and the price initiated to the downside. The same pattern, guys. Range, initiation, mitigation. Right now the price is mitigating. It's possible that the price wants to show the continuation from that range, targeting that low, or it may just keep going up to mitigate this range or this 4 hour doji again. The same pattern, guys. I want the price to mitigate something. Okay, that's how I trade. Okay, so we may see the possible scenarios. The price right now is mitigating this range. Okay, so we may see, let's say, if it doesn't, the price is gonna be targeting the low. So if the price decides to respect that range right there, the price is gonna go down from there, targeting that low. And if the price take out that low, the price is gonna be mitigating this range right there, and we may see a buy opportunity to the upside, a short buy, or maybe a long-term buy. It depends. But as I always say, the price, in order to go down, it needs to go up, and in order to go up, it needs to go down. So if the price shows that setup right there and the price decides to go down, targeting that low, if it take out that low, if the price wants to keep going down, what do we need to see first? A pullback to the upside. So the price is gonna need to go up once again to keep going down, if that's what it wants. Okay, so that's why that buy opportunity is still possible. It's also possible that the price may just want to keep going down, mitigating the range, and just keep going a little deeper to mitigate another range from here. Overall, this is a whole range, but we got small ranges here. This whole thing is a range. Okay, so the price if that entry shows up and it's a loss, the price maybe just wants to go a little deep inside that range, or it wants to go a little inside that big range here. Okay, I always want to see a range being mitigated before talking about what entry I'm gonna take. Okay, because of what I just explained, it's possible that we see a continuation from there, targeting that low to mitigate this range, and depending how the price is approaching, that is really important. We may see the price giving an opportunity right here for buys. Okay, so let me put this here. Okay, that may be a buy opportunity for tomorrow, depending how the price is approaching. Because, for example, last week I wanted to take buys here. The price showed the entry, but it was after New York. I don't take any entries after New York, so that was the narrative was correct. The pre-analysis was correct. It worked perfectly, but the entry didn't happen during my section. Okay, so in order for me to take sales, if the price decides to just keep going up, to manipulate all those highs right there to mitigate hopefully this range right here, up here, we may see sales opportunity from up there. Okay, so let me put this a little higher. As I always say, it's too early right now. Okay, it's too early right now, so my perspective may change a little bit tomorrow. Okay, so in order for me to take sales, I want the price to go up here perfectly. That's most likely what I would love to see. So if the price decides to go up and mitigate that range plus that 4-hour doji, I'm gonna be looking for sales from up there, depending how the price is approaching. We may see something like this, for example. Maybe, let's say, maybe the price is gonna show the continuation from this range, and it's gonna manipulate that low to then mitigate this range to create this buy order here to show a buy opportunity. That may happen, a quick buy to then, maybe it's gonna decide to keep going down, okay, after that. But it's possible that this buy here also is gonna send the price up here. It's gonna be, let's say, if it's gonna respect the bullish structure that price has down there. If the price decides to keep going up, the price may form this entry for on Tuesday. In 2 days, it's gonna form this entry for sales. Is if this buy order here, if the price decides to extend like that from that point. Okay, so as I said, for now, buys from here and sells from up here, and we may also see sells from there too. But that's a trade that I'm gonna try to avoid. Good thing that is early, so I have a lot of time to let the price does whatever it wants to then show me what it really wants for my section. Okay, so that's it, guys. Buys from here, sells from here. Overall, that's all I got for now, guys. And if you trade London, I wish you good luck and talk to you tomorrow. Let's see what it does. Let me explain this in Spanish too. So, en pocas palabras, yo quiero comprar acá y quiero vender acá. ¿Por qué? Yo quiero vender desde ese punto porque el precio estaría en altos precios, como siempre digo. El precio estaría en altos precios y cuando el precio está alto a mí me gusta vender. También si el precio, esa entrada es posible porque el precio ha llevado una estructura bajista todo este tiempo y es posible que el precio vuelva acá arriba para formar una oportunidad para respetar esa dirección que lleva desde allá. Okay. También en general acá tenemos un range y mi patrón siempre es range, initiation, mitigation, continuation. So aquí tenemos un range, esta fue la iniciación y el precio acá está mitigando. El precio es posible que desde acá para London reaccione hacia la baja para acá, hasta acá abajo para luego mostrar mi compra desde acá, porque el precio para bajar tiene que subir y para subir tiene que bajar. Okay. Todo depende cuando tu sesión abre. Así que de manera general, con la información que tengo en este momento, yo quiero comprar acá o vender acá, o puedo comprar un poquito más abajo acá, o puedo vender un poco más arriba o un poquito más arriba. Okay. El precio, enfóquense en eso. El precio para seguir subiendo tiene que bajar. Entonces, si el precio, por ejemplo, si el precio no baja aquí, a lo mejor va a bajar desde acá, o va a bajar desde acá, o va a bajar desde acá, ¿me explico? Y si el precio va a subir, a lo mejor el precio va a subir desde aquí, o va a subir desde acá o va a subir desde acá. Por eso digo, depende dónde el precio se encuentra y también cómo se está aproximando. Si el precio está cayendo o de esta manera, obviamente yo no voy a tomar una compra en contra de eso. Pues sí, eso es básicamente lo que yo busco para mañana. Pasen bonita noche. Gracias por estar acá.